that made my life. You
I'm
made
sorry,
full
the
of
act of
surprises.
happiness.
Staring
Billie
through the
Eilish.
starlight. Yeah, my heart feels so right. You
So,
are the one for me tonight.
hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. Guys, it is currently, hold on, it is currently 9:20 a.m. and my class starts by 9 a.m. As you can see, I am still at home. Anyway, I am just waiting for my cab right now. I called my cab like a while ago and it's still not here. Who did I offend, you guys? Oh yeah, I'm just waiting for my cab and I'm going to try and rush to school. Hopefully they let me in this class. So I'm just going to go to school. I'll see you guys when I get back. I don't really have much to do today, but we're just going to see how the day is going to go. So I'll see you guys, okay? Bye. Why do I look pale? Hi guys. So yeah, it is 8 p.m. right now. I got back from school. I was way too tired, so I just had to sleep. I ate, I slept. I think I slept for like 4 hours, to be honest. I slept for like 4 hours and I woke up like an hour ago. So since I woke up, I was just on FaceTime with my friend, and yeah, I wasn't really doing much. But right now I'm trying to see if I can catch up with my editing class. So if you do not know, I'm currently taking M's editing class and it has been going so well. Guys, when I tell you that I have found out, or I have really learned a lot, like a lot of things that I did not know before. Guy, I've learned a lot and I'm so happy that I took this course. So I'm just trying to catch up right now because school has been dealing with me, as you guys can see. So I'm just trying to read some messages, watch some videos, and I'm also going to edit after. So yeah, only God knows when I'm going to sleep today because I've slept away. This is why, guys, this is why I wake up late and I go to school late, because I will come back, sleep in the afternoon for what, 5 hours, and then I'm awake throughout the night. I'm sleeping by 3 a.m. or 4 a.m. and I have to get up by 6 or 7 to get ready for my 9 a.m. class. God, this semester, God, just help me. I need to change my sleeping schedule because throughout, like when I was on my mini break, I was sleeping during the day and I was awake all night. So I really have to change that because I cannot miss a class. Like, I can't. Anyway, I'm just going to try and catch up right now, and yeah.
Got a kitty cat sleeping on my left side. I don't even need to see you tonight. Had me for a minute, expectations high, but a fuck nigga can't keep up his disguise. Why you tryna talk? Can't you see I'm tired? I don't need to hear you fucking testify. Always stay up late, argue through the night. Always think I'm wrong, always think you're right, but you can't tell me shit. That's just what it is. I pay my own bills and I'm fucking lit. I am not impressed. You make too much mess. Yeah. On to the next. Guess it's for the best. Yeah.
Hi guys, good morning. Today is Tuesday and I just woke up to the best news from school. So class got cancelled today. Happiness, guys, the amount of joy I'm feeling right now, amazing. I want today to be such a productive day because I already had like plans, like after I come back from school I'll do this and I'll do that, but since there's no class today, that means I can just start my day now and, you know, try and get things done on time. I'm so happy that it's snowing. Like the snow today, you guys, like when I woke up I didn't even check my phone because of course I woke up late again. So I didn't even check my phone. I had my bath, did everything, and then I checked my phone, and then they were like that there's no class today. Ah, good. Like, I was so happy. Let me show you guys what it looks like outside. Bro, can you see the heap of... Whoa, I didn't even know it was this bad. Focus. Oh my god, I'm pretty cold. Can you guys see the heap of snow? Can you guys see the heap of snow? And yesterday it was slippery. Like the whole... Oh my god, I'm cold. The whole ground was like slippery yesterday, and then the snow now fell today, so everything is just... Damn, it is cold. Yeah, so everything is like so bad today, and I'm just glad that my teacher said we shouldn't come. So I've got 2 days free. Good, thank God. Anyway, I want to use today and do a lot of things. I want to use this morning to arrange my place. Not like my place is so messy, but I have been having school throughout the week, so I've not really had time to, like, you know, put things in order. So I'm just trying to do that today, this morning. What else do I have to do? I want to plan content today. Today I'm going to plan content. I don't want to procrastinate, you guys. I want to plan Instagram content. I also want to plan YouTube. I'm trying to do the live update. You guys, it should already be up by now as you're watching this video. So I want to plan that content. I'll probably film it tomorrow. Should I film it tomorrow? I should film it this night. Oh no, I can't film it this night. I have to film it tomorrow. I'm going for a dinner with my friend this night, so I can't even film it this night. I'll just film it tomorrow. But yeah, I'm going to plan it today and also plan Instagram content. There's this song, there's this new song, this new Cardi B song, and I have to do a video on that. Like, there's actually no way I'm not going to do the video. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing right now. I think I'm just going to go and make breakfast right now because I'm so hungry, and then I'll clean up the house. Anyway, I'll see you guys, okay?
You're the best out of all of them. I read every letter you sent. Even when you left town again, been through hell and then back again. And you're never too serious. They think that you sleep too much, but they don't know you like I do. Wanna sit here and talk with you, as if nothing else mattered, as if nothing else matters, as if nothing else mattered, as if nothing else mattered, as if nothing else mattered. How many girls chasing after you? If I left town again, would you come through? I don't know where we'll go. Can we grow? This is so, as if nothing else matters. Can we fly? You've got time, and I've got miles. I've got miles. Tell me, babe, why are we playing games? It's you and me. Everybody else, they noticing. Baby, focus in on me. Make a move, it's on you. Cause I've been up all night, drinking this wine, telling you things, telling you right. Bet it on me, you know you won't lose.
Hi guys, so I'm literally just finishing planning my content. Literally just finished. Ooh, it's dark. It's dark. Ooh. So oh my god, I cannot talk. I literally just finished planning content for YouTube. I'm not done planning for Instagram, the song I told you guys I wanted to use, because that thing is headache. I'm not even lying, like it's headache. But yeah, I just finished for YouTube. At least I'm happy I did something. And then I also watched like a couple of videos for my editing class. So yeah, I actually tried. It's currently 5:41. Billie Eilish, oh my god, it's currently 5:41 and I'm going to start getting ready now. I'm going for dinner by like 8, and knowing me, by that 8 I have to be ready by that 8. That's why I want to start now. So yeah, I should be ready before then, and I'll just like show you guys my outfit and all of that. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing right now. I'll see you guys. Bye.
Huh? So baby, sing all that other stuff was so that I can actually see a successful day. Is me all you do? Stay with me. Stay with me. Come to me. 'Cause I've been up all night, thinking this way, telling you things, doing you right. Bet on me, you know you won't lose. I'm laying it out, sorry for you. Keeping me waiting, no hesitating. I ain't like them, none of them fake. Best friends and lovers, nothing to prove. I'm laying it out, sorry for you. Stay with me. Stay
Hi guys, so I just finished and I just called a cab, so almost here and I'll soon be going. So I'll see you guys.
I don't like staying up and talking about your family till we fall asleep. I don't like that you know my order when we're out to eat and you pay for me. 'Cause I don't wanna be someone loving, looking dumb, but you don't care. You go on and make me feel things that I don't wanna feel. So I get scared every time you open up. I'm shutting down. Every time you come in, I push you out, saying I don't want you, but you know I do. 'Cause I hate to love you, so I love to hate you. Ooh, I love you, I hate you, I love to hate you. Ooh, I love you, I hate you, I love to hate you. Ooh.
Hi guys, what is up? Good morning everybody. Today is Thursday. No, I'm sorry, today is Wednesday. I'm just closing my wardrobe because there's a lot of shit in here. Hi guys, good morning. Good morning. As you can see, I'm in a hat and I'm on my way to school. I know I'm not supposed to have class today. I'm not supposed to have class, but apparently I do. So there was a class that I actually have today and I forgot I had the class. It's like the language course and we are supposed to have it today. Only like this day in the whole semester. So I totally forgot about that and I woke up late again. Nothing new, but my hair is a mess and I'm not about to wear my wig right now. So I was going to so I decided to put this on and then I'll be going for the class. I had so much planned for today and this class is going to last like 4 or 5 hours. So that is like a major setback right now. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know. So yeah, that's basically what is up. I will see you guys. Let me just go for this class right now and see what happens. Okay, hi guys, good evening. So today is Friday. As you can see, I am in my nightwear and baby I have just been Okay, this week has just been all over the place, to be honest. If I'm being honest, today the last time I saw you guys was, I think, on Wednesday. Yeah, it was on Wednesday when I went for my Ukrainian class. My god, I wasn't able to vlog. I didn't even vlog that day. Like, when I got back from class that day, I slept. Like, I've just been sleeping. I don't even know. Throughout this week, I've been way too tired. So anytime I come back from school, like, I'm always sleeping. And then when I wake up in the night, I feel so weak. I don't know. I'm not sick. I know that I'm not sick. I think I've just not been in the mood this week, to be honest. This week has just been weird. And today I wrote an exam. Maybe the week has been weird because of the exam. I don't know, but yeah, today I wrote an exam. Had to study for that on Thursday, so I couldn't vlog on Thursday. So I wrote that today and it went well, thank God. Got back from school and I slept again. Anyway, right now I think I'm just going to make dinner because I don't have anything in my house right now to eat. And I'm very hungry. And yeah, I think I'm just going to go and make dinner now and then maybe edit. I think I'm going to edit like this vlog. This week has just not been so productive like I hoped it would be. But anyway, yeah, I'm still going to try and do stuff this night. And yeah, what's the time, safe? I think it should be like 8 o'clock. Let me check. Yeah, after 8. But yeah, I'm still going to try and do stuff. Let me just go and cook and then see what time I'll be done. All right, I'll see you guys.
Hey, speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl you call wifey. Yeah.